about my major mistake, let's talk about this. This is a brand new Borla mid-pipe for the 6th gen Camaro SS or ZL1. This thing is still brand new and has never been installed on a car, and I got it for sale. This is Borla's X-pipe that removes the resonators but still has AFN valves. Exhaust clamps. eBay link down below. I'm selling it for $750. Somebody come scoop it. What's good, y'all? It's your boy ZT Zooming, and I'm back with another booming video, y'all. So today I got to take care of my mistake. I'll show that to you guys in a minute, what I'm talking about. And then also today, I think while we're at the shop, I'm gonna go ahead and just get the trunk sound deadened real quick, because I've already got that piece removed, the liner underneath the trunk lid. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead, sound deaden that little bit of Noico I got left. We'll get that taken care of, and then we gotta fix my mistake. Damn. So we're at the shop now, you guys. It's time to take care of my freaking mistake. Now, I've showed you guys a little bit this on camera, but I've got to take care of my shark fin. I messed up the wrap on my shark fin. I get a lot of you guys hitting me in my DM, commenting, saying whatever, that I make it look easy, but it doesn't always go smooth, you guys. I have problems all the time. Editing just makes me look good. Between editing and Google, that's my two best friends right there. My boy watched the video and he saw it. He said he didn't think it looks that bad, but I think that he's tripping. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, when you're looking at it from this side, things don't look all that bad. You can definitely see a little bit of gray popping out right there, but thankfully my car's a pretty dark color, so it doesn't stand out as much. But when you come around to this other side, it looked better at first, but now you guys can see it there. The wrap is peeling back up once it got a little bit wet, and it's ugly. I mean, I'm never gonna get it to look great, but if I can get it where this seam right here is laid down pretty well, that's kind of my goal, to get it to look like that. I've had a few different ideas on ways to accomplish this. I was thinking about peeling back as much of the wrap as I could, and then getting that knifeless tape and laying it down and laying another piece of wrap on top of that. But I don't know how well this wrap is gonna peel up to be able to get the knifeless tape under it, then to tape that back down. I just don't see that working very well. So I think what I'm gonna do is try to cut a little bit of it back, and just where I was putting in those little strips, just do a better job of putting them in. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll get this trunk taken care of after. So to fix that little section around the fin, I'm gonna go ahead and use just a scrap piece of the wrap that I have right here. Cut it into some little, little strips, maybe about that wide only, and kind of cut it roughly to the shape. Cut it sort of to the angle. I might try to put a little bit of a curve on it, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but it'll look a lot better than it does right now. I think that's the piece I'm gonna use. I just kind of free-handed it. Looks good enough. Alright, we got it done, but by no means is it perfect. Like, this is what I'm always trying to tell you guys, is that just try it. Don't be scared, just attempt it. Like, not everything's gonna be perfect, and honestly, when you do screw up, not everybody notices, so don't be scared to try things. But let's check out what I did to try to get by in the meantime. All right, y'all, let's zoom in on it right here. I mean, from where I'm at, from this angle, things really don't look that bad. And I'm standing here, right next to the car. It's kind of one of those things where it's like, it's good from far, but far from good. Now, if we get right up on it, you're looking directly over. As you guys probably saw in the B-roll, yeah, you can see it. You can definitely see some of the seams. But again, I'm not claiming to be the best at it. I'm a rookie, essentially. I'm not a professional by any means, but for just some dude out in his shop, I mean, I'm really happy with it. Also too, I'm on my new camera, so if you guys see me looking that way all the time, I'm looking at the screen is what it is. But if you guys got something you want to do on your car, just go for it, man. Don't worry about what other people say. Don't worry about being nervous. And don't worry about being freaking perfect. Like, making mistakes, that's how you learn, for real. And so, you know, I made mistakes. I'm learning each time that I lay one, I'm learning more things. But that's life though, you live and you learn. But if you want something, go for it, man. And it's like I'm always saying, I'm not a professional, but I'm willing to bet on myself. I know the type of effort I put into doing something, and I know if I put the effort into that, I can live with the results. I also think too that having a dark gray car, it really hides things a lot. People say the best kind of car that you can wrap is a black car because it hides everything. And let me just show you guys this too. Like, I really want y'all to know I'm not perfect. I ain't trying to be perfect. I'll keep it a thou wow with you guys on this channel at all times. Look right here. I mean, my cuts aren't perfect. You see that spot right there where it dips back down? I mean, look at over there, my line isn't cut perfectly. Things don't gotta be perfect. Life ain't perfect, so don't sweat the small stuff, y'all. But let's see if we can get this trunk sound deadened. I got it popped. Oh yeah, let me show you guys my trunk wrap since I've done it. You guys have seen that little spot right there before. Showed you that when I did it. I got a little spot right here. You can see I kind of been playing with it. You can see I moved the dirt around, but if I can get the right angle for you guys, there we go. So it's bubbling up right there. I don't really have any peeling yet. I really haven't had it on that long. Everything still seems to look good all around all the edges. So yeah, no complaints, y'all. No complaints at all. But now I'm gonna get this sound deadened. I think I'm gonna put the sound deadening in these little sections right there. Probably, I don't know, put some over here maybe, I don't really know. We'll see. Before this video is over too, I got another update on my exhaust. It ain't coming like I thought. 1, 2, 3. Come into focus, bow. There we go, you guys. So I got it all taken care of. Let's check it out here. So the main parts that I cared about was getting these strips inside of here. The rest of these pieces, they were just scrap pieces that I had. I'm really not even tripping if it looks sloppy, if it looks whatever. It's still got the entire cover that goes over this area. So I just wanted to get a little bit on there. If you guys haven't seen the video of me laying this down, y'all make sure you go check out me sound deadening the rest of my car. I've got detailed instructions on how to lay all of this Noico sound deadening. For you guys that been watching my videos, I know I keep repeating myself, but man, too many of y'all be watching my videos that ain't subscribed, man, and I get a lot of new viewers, so I just gotta make sure I'm telling the people at all times, reminding them what I've got out there, because I got a ton of content out there, you guys. But shoot, if I got a ton out, I got 5 more tons coming. Trust. Make sure y'all go check out my Instagram too, man. Come on, look at them shots, man. Look at them shots. Woo! Yeah, y'all go follow my Instagram, man, and you'll see everything I'm doing early on there too. Whenever you guys are storing something like this, try to put it in a bag or something, especially like where I'm at the shop. I gotta make sure it gets covered up, otherwise it's just gonna get filthy. 7 push clips. Now I know the bolts aren't on the spoiler, but I'm gonna put these on just in case. Don't want nothing leaking. And we done. Ooh, man, this motherfucker's bad, y'all. I just love the way the black is looking. I know I said it a bunch last video, but under these LED lights, ooh, it just be hitting different. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So now, my Corsa exhaust. I have the Corsa NPP valved exhaust. As you can see, I don't have my actuators on. The reason for that is because my left side was rattling like hell. So I've reached out to Corsa, I filed a warranty. They're gonna take care of me. They were sending my new exhaust out, but my guy over there, Matt, just hit me back up and said the exhaust that they had, they just don't feel confident about it. And so they decided to pull it and not ship it out to me. And so now they're making me an entire brand new one again, and they're gonna be getting that sent out to me. Now, is that a little bit frustrating? Yeah, but honestly, I respect the hell out of them for double checking it and then grabbing it, pulling it back and not sending it out to me, because there's too many companies would have just grabbed one off the shelf, sent it out to people and not checked it. So Corsa, shout out to you guys on that one. I respect the hell out of you for that. And at the end of the day, I appreciate it. I'd rather wait a little bit longer than have to deal with this issue again any time of the day. So shout out to Matt over at Corsa, and shout out to Corsa period. But as I said several times, in the meantime, valves open ain't bad. So that's how I've been rolling, you guys. Valves open at all times, but it's all good. I like it. I like loud cars. Cool, I'm happy to get that out the way, you guys. I know I kind of said it earlier in the video, but I just want to say it again because I really mean it, man. Like, when I'm telling you guys, don't be scared, just attempt something, go for it, man. There ain't nothing could happen but you fail, and if you fail, you learn. Like, I can't say it enough. Just go for it. This is what I mean when I'm always saying, and I'm putting hashtag bet on yourself, because just have confidence in yourself. Know that you're gonna take the time to try to do it right. Try to learn as much as possible before you do it. Don't just go into things blind, but take your time, have patience, look it up on Google. Like, just don't be scared. Fuck it, man. Go for it. It's your car at the end of the day. So believe in yourself, work hard, and then bet on yourself. And on this channel, man, I'm all about spreading positivity, giving you guys the motivation to go out here and attempt these things. If there's something that you're scared to do and I've done it already, go back and watch my video. Or if you've got ideas of things you want to see, you're thinking about doing, drop them down in the comments. Maybe I'll do them to my car. I'll be the first one to attempt it. I know I ain't scared, you guys. And I ain't even saying that some of you guys are scared. You just don't want to F it up. But hey, man, these people out here doing all this stuff, they ain't better than none of the rest of us, for real. I think that's gonna do it for me today though, you guys. Keep betting on yourself, keep going after what you want, don't let nobody tell you no, and never be afraid to fail. Oh, and go Lakers, baby, y'all see us. But anyways, this your boy ZT zooming, and I'm keeping it moving, baby. I'm out. Peace. The reason that I only bought the black to go on the top of everything is because I wasn't ready to buy the wrap for the side yet until I learned how to do it. Like I said in the video when I did the trunk, this one is probably gonna come back up. And then unless I can come up with a good way to get this shark fin and cleaned up and looking better, then the roof wrap will probably end up coming back up. The one that I might leave on is the very first one I did. And I'm having second thoughts about doing the rest of my car orange. Wait, what?